Hi, I'm Kevin Aldred, your trusted mattress expert here at Gardner White. Today I'm excited to introduce you to the Beautyrest Black Series 1 Medium Innerspring Mattress, a perfect blend of comfort and support for a truly restorative sleep experience. The Beautyrest Black Series 1 surface is wrapped in a luxurious Black Ice 4.0 cover, engineered to help you sleep cooler. This advanced cooling technology combines 4 cooling actions in one, ensuring you stay comfortable throughout the night. This mattress falls into the medium firmness category, perfectly balancing soft comfort and firm support. Whether you're a back, side, or stomach sleeper, it adapts to your sleeping position, offering just the right amount of give and support. This makes the mattress ideal for sleep partners with different comfort preferences. The Beautyrest Black Series 1 Medium is designed with advanced innerspring technology that ensures optimal support throughout the night. The core of this mattress features the T3 Pocketed Coil technology, which provides enhanced durability and support and reduces motion transfer for undisturbed sleep. One standout feature of this mattress is its exceptional edge support. The Beauty Edge foam encasement allows you to utilize the full surface of the mattress without worrying about edge sagging. It's perfect for those who like to sit or sleep near the edge. Experience the comfort for yourself. Visit us at Gardner White to try out the Beautyrest Black Series 1 Medium Innerspring Mattress in person, or chat with a fellow mattress expert online to learn more. Our team is here to help you find your perfect sleep solution.